5 seconds to go. Start. The question of import of defense equipment is also linked with our foreign policy. I am proud that we are a non aligned country. We should never be cowed down by any superpower in the world. They are interested in seeing that we do not have good neighborly relationship with our neighbors, but we have an interest in seeing that we have good neighborly relationship. When we are able to solve the problems of our country round the table, we should be able to solve the problems with the neighbors round the table. Therefore, I do stand for good neighborly relationship. Someone may say that this is pro this and this is pro that, but for the defense of the country and for the developmental activity of the country, we cannot afford to fritter away our resources by tuning our policy in such a way. For good neighborly relationship, we must try our best. I am glad that the general feeling of this house is that we want good neighborly relationship. Even when we build our armies, I am glad that our defense minister has said that we have the armies, but our army is not to march on the frontiers of the country to conquer others. It is to defend our borders, and that is the approach that we have got. Therefore, if we try to make consciously better neighborly relationship, it might be that the defense expenditure of both Pakistan and India might come down. And in that case, a different situation may arise. Sir, I would like to say something about the interest payments. Last year, when we presented the budget, I was listening to the comments by a number of experts. One of the experts was from the School of Economics of Pune. He said in one of his comments that when he looks at the tremendous repayment that we have to make for the loans that we have borrowed, sometimes he feels that we almost borrow to repay. Today, what is the position? According to the budget documents, the interest on borrowings will be rupees 1000 crores. Unfortunately, even the repayment installment on IMF loan is due this year, and as a result of that, you will find that it takes all the borrowings. Then the total repayment in foreign exchange will be to the tune of 22% of our export earnings. That is why I am advocating for the public sector. Full stop.